Hello, fellow friends. Today you'll see us go crazy on video.
Today?
Today. Exactly.
Neener, neener, neener.
Oh, it's gonna be so jokes.
On top of spaghetti.
Wait, shit. Is that all you talk about is food? What do you have for dinner for tonight?
I don't know. Let's call my mama and ask.
You're joking.
No.
Remember that picture?
Me smoking. So?
So, your mama never answered?
No.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
What do you think you're gonna have?
Spaghetti. I want it.
Okay, cool. So you want me to do?
How about it? Whoa! Do it like really dramatically. Like you're gonna kill someone. Whoa! Okay, go.
You do it.
There's no teeth?
Oh, you see his lip. Do it like so dramatic. No, like
Like the last time?
yeah, like you're gonna knock everything over.
Woo! Oh! You moved the computer.
I did?
Yeah. Woo!
Hi!
Woo!
Your cat thinks we're retarded.
Let's look at the cat.
Meow.
Made the kitty do it.
Let's meow meow over it. Make meow. Meowed. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ready for my dramaticness?
Meow. Make a meow. There we go. There's a little bit in the soup.
You're so dramatic. What was that?
Brandon! Run!
Okay, go. Hey, you can see my teeth.
You're right. You can see your nostril too. Let's see inside your nose. Let's see inside your nose.
No, that's not right. No! No, open the window! Oh!
I can open the window.
No, you can't, you can't. No! No! Don't open the window! Don't open it! Don't open it! Close the window, seriously. It's wasting heat.
Wasting heat?
Close the window. You're gonna get me in trouble. Leave, Brennan. You're gay!
You're gay! Move your fat ass over, God!
You scared me up. Oh, wow. You're gonna kill me, you frickin' prostitute. Ouch! That's gonna kill me even more. Don't. My hair's already curly. I don't need any more curls. I said
That
no.
is so sexy.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
You look like Beyonce.
Beyonce
with
with
her
her
hair, afro hair.
Whoa. Look at the clip and stuff. Don't. Stop. Fuck you.
She's a prostitute.
Beyonce?
No, yeah.
Yeah, and you're a slut.
Yeah, thanks.
My hair looks really bad now, but that's okay.
I know. What the fuck is your problem?
Can you leave? You're gonna get in trouble.
Hey, I'm not doing
I'm not doing anything. Don't. No, don't do that.
that. You're not. Oh shit! Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Hello? Can Mom and stuff come over? Yeah. Can she come over? Well, you're rude.
What'd she say?
She's like, goodbye.
Okay.
Rawr. Wait. Seriously, be quiet. You're gonna make me laugh. Stop. I'm gonna get in trouble.
Oh.
That's rude. She's like, are you really calling my office to see if your friend can come over? Okay, I think we should end this now.